Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. So excited to be bringing you this first video, sharing with you the We Creat Vision Pro 45 watt laser cutter. So I have had this for a little while. I didn't want to make a video until I had used it and could share with you some of the things that I've learned. Now I'm showing you here just a little bit of the unboxing, and I want to assure you that they package this up so nicely that nothing is going to be broken or lost on the way. Look at all this foam. Here's your grates for the bottom of the cutter, and then everything is packaged up very, very securely. So not everybody likes to watch these types of videos, but I think it can be important for what you can expect if you decide to invest in this or any of the other different size laser cutters that We Creat has. Inside, and I apologize you can't see, you can see a little bit through the lid. The inside has a bunch of foam in there as well with all the other pieces. There you can see, nice and snug. I am going to turn this around in just a second. But I do want to give a shout out, a big thank you to We Creat for sending this to me to share with you guys on my Monarch Mom DIY YouTube channel. If you've ever thought about getting into wood, laser cutting, or engraving, hey Gary, just doing a little pass through the room there. This is a great machine. Now, I was given a laser cutter before, but it was not enclosed like this, and it really scared me with the amount of smoke and things. But this one is awesome. You can see here, I'm getting ready to attach the hose, which is going to cover the fan there that takes any smoke out of the machine through the piece of tubing, and then I have it going out a window. You definitely want to do this where there's a lot of ventilation. But the step-by-step instructions that come with this machine are very easy to follow. Takes a little bit of time. There's your little Wi-Fi antenna, which you can use it with Wi-Fi or connect it with an USB cord. You've got power. You've got all the things here to be able to use this machine. Here's what it looks like inside. And I think there's a film on the top that I need to take off. Now, I want to just show you a couple of the first projects I've made. Now, this is mostly an engraving project. Look at this image. It's hard to see with the thing going across there, but that lion with the lamb, I'm going to give you an up-close picture a little bit later. But it does a great job engraving. It does all sorts of different materials. I've so far only used it with wood, but it does also do leather, glass. Even you can engrave your blue jeans using the We Creat Make It software. That is a free download that you can put on your laptop to create these projects. Now, this is what this project looks like when it's all glued together. And then that lion and lamb engraved image slides down inside. Isn't that gorgeous? That was my first project I did with the machine. Next, I'm going to show you what it looks like if you purchase an SVG laser file from Etsy. That's what I did here. And then I'm going to go to my Etsy and I'm going to download it. There it is. And this one came with a few different files. I am going to open up the He Is Risen floral cross. And this is what it looks like. And there are lots of tutorials in the software, but also on YouTube to show you how you can make sure that this file is going to work with your software. And you can see there's different colors. Red is for cutting, blue is for engraving. And once you get all the settings in your software for the material, the thickness, and so forth, this laser takes a picture of your wood in there and shows you exactly where your file is going to cut and engrave. And this is sped up just a little bit. I am cutting out the pieces for this He Is Risen cross. And there you can see we're going to get them out here. I am using 3mm birch. I'm not sure what happened over there on the left. I think there was maybe a little bit of a knot in the wood. It could have cut it a little bit harder. And you're just going to carefully get all your pieces out. Very fine pieces, these laser cut out flowers and the pieces of our cross. You just lift up the grate, easy to clean out all those little pieces as well. And this is what the He is Risen cross looks like when it is painted and glued together and put onto a surface. So this is a very introductory video to this machine. If you are interested in more information, please go to the link that I have put in the description of this video, and please ask me any questions in the comments. And would you like to see me do more projects with the We Creat Vision Pro 45 watt laser cutter? Take care.